Chainway has been in industrial PDAs for 10 years, headquartered in Shenzhen City with branches in Beijing, Guangzhou, and other 9 cities. As a preferred supply chain partner for mobile device market in China, Chainway always focus on quality and continue to improve it when we have been working. Chainway customers operate within a wide range of industries, such as warehouse management, stock taking, government projects, international trade, and transportation, all of which are rapidly changing with highly competitive fields. As one of the professional manufacturers of rugged handheld data terminal in China, we specialize in manufacturing and developing all-in-one handheld data terminal integrated with RFID reader and writer, 1D and 2D barcode scanner, and wireless communications. Regarding test system, our product C5000 and C2000 has authorized by CE and ROHS test system and certified to ISO 9001 as well. On a global scale, our handheld data terminal covering more than 24 industries and spreading more than 60 countries, which include China, India, Russia, Brazil, South Africa, Turkey, Europe, Canada, Australia, Indonesia. Chainway committed ourselves to give our customers reliable hardware of data collection terminals. This reliability is delivered through over 10 years of independent RFID experiences and continuous innovation to deliver the best protection in order to make the mobile workers more productive, motivated, and workflow more efficient. What's more, we continue to improve our product line to meet the requirements of global customers in different fields.